Beezer, want to get the paper? Do you want to get the paper? Let's go. Come, let's go. Let's go. That's your sister's sock. I'll take it. Thank you. Give me the sock. Go get that paper. Go get that paper. What a good boy. Come on, bring it back. Cookie. I have a cookie for you. Come on. Where are you going with it? Hey, where are you going with my paper? Where are you going with my paper? Where are you going? Oh, really, Bees? Oh, Beezer. You're silly. It's still there. You poor thing. You gotta go. Dear Lord, Bees. That's not our paper. Beezer? Beezer! Get over here. That's not your paper. Let's not do this again. There's your paper. Okay, my friend. Come on. Oh, what a good boy. Mommy doesn't have to get her feet cold. What a good boy. Come on. Come on. Let me see you. Oh, what a good little bubs. Sit down. Sit down. Do you want a cookie? Thank you for getting my paper. Thank you. Thank you for getting my paper. You're a good boy.